Jaipur, the vibrant capital of Rajasthan, cannot be missed when visiting India. It delightfully blends the old with the new, modernity with tradition. Expect to see camels ambling past motorbikes, and youngsters in jeans rubbing shoulders with turbaned elders. This colorful corner of Rajasthan is also known as the Pink City, as its prominent buildings were washed in this color to welcome the Prince of Wales and Queen Victoria in 1876. Occupying the heart of the Pink City, the City Palace has been home to the rulers of Jaipur since the early 18th century. Diya Kumari is the former princess of the Jaipur royal family and the granddaughter of Man Singh II, the last ruling Maharaja of the princely state of Jaipur during British rule in India. She is also the biological mother of the current Maharaja of Jaipur, Padmanabhan Singh. The Rajsamand BJP MP is also a socialite and philanthropist and the founder of the Princess Diya Kumari Foundation, an organization for social causes.
Diya Kumari was born in 1971 on January 30 to Bhavani Singh, an Indian Army officer and hotelier in Jaipur. On August 6, 1997, Diya Kumari married Narendra Singh Rajawat, a chartered accountant. Diya Kumari has 3 children from her marriage to Narendra Singh, which ended in divorce in December 2018. The eldest son, Padmanabhan Singh, was born on July 12, 1998 and was adopted by Bhavani Singh on November 22, 2002 as his successor as head of the former royal family, taking up the mantle Maharaja of Jaipur on April 27, 2011. Their second son is Lakshraj Singh and their daughter is Gauravi Kumari.
The sprawling Jaipur City Palace complex is a beautiful blend of Rajput and Mughal architecture. Today, a large part of the complex is open to the public as the City Palace Museum. Visitors to the palace can also visit several private rooms in the stunning Chandra Mahal, Moon Palace, which remains the residence of the former Maharaja. Other highlights in the public areas of the City Palace Museum include the 2 giant silver urns in the Diwan-i-Khas. They are listed in the Guinness Book of World Records as the largest silver objects in the world. Their original purpose was to carry sacred water from the Ganges River to London for Madho Singh II to drink during his stay in London in 1901. Each floor of the 7-story Chandra Mahal Palace is lavishly adorned and has a specific name to reflect its function. The Sukh Niwas, or Hall of Rest, is the fully furnished royal dining room.
Look for one more over there.
You both of sit with together, sir.
No. She sits there, I sit here, and
No. I don't want to sit.
I'm looking for one more.
You want to sit with together.
No, tradition is born.
Yes, you are right. Janana and Mardana. I think once upon a time he was a king also. You know everything.
On the second floor, the stunning Chavi Niwas is a beautiful bright blue with white detailing. This room was used to enjoy the monsoon rains, designed to provide respite during the hot summer month. Elegant architecture adorned with delicate frescoes and cooling fountains, creating soothing atmosphere amidst the desert heat. The blue-tined murals of Chavi Niwas are believed to represent the various moods of Lord Krishna.
Blue color we make from indigo flower. This gentleman is playing our local instrument, Ravanappa. employees. They live with family. You know, this palace is total area is 2 kilometers area. 1 kilometer palace converted in museum palace. 1 kilometer is one family, and they have more than 4,000 employees with family. They live inside.
That's big.
The third floor, Rang Mandar, is the mirror floor, and its walls, pillars, and ceiling are decorated with mirrors of all sizes. The dining room on this floor has its pillars and ceiling covered with Mughal motifs and royal dining tables.
सुंदर गोरी ओढ़ बताओ जी सुंदर गोरी ओढ़ बताओ जी कसी के सोहे तारा रे चुंदरी कसी के सोए तारा रे चुंदरी सुंदर गोरी ओढ़ बताओ जी सुंदर गोरी ओढ़ बताओ जी कसी के सोहे तारा रे चुंदरी कसी के सोए तारा रे चुंदरी
Shobha Niwas, on the fourth floor, is known as the Hall of Beauty, with the walls lavishly embellished with mirrors, tiles, and gold leaf detailing. The Shobha Niwas is richly decorated with gold and glasswork. This room was initially used for religious purposes, to pray during Hindu festivals such as Diwali and Holi. The Chavi Niwas, or Hall of Images, is on the fifth floor and was the monsoon retreat of the Maharaja. On the sixth floor is Shri Niwas, and the seventh is the Mukut Mandar, Crown Temple. At the very top of the Chandra Mahal is the flag of the Jaipur royal family, which is only unfurled when the Maharaja is in residence. The clock tower is a structure to the south of the Sava Niwas. It is a sign of European influence in the Rajput court, as the clock was installed in a pre-existing tower in 1873. The clock, purchased from Black and Murray and Company of Calcutta, aimed to introduce a little Victorian efficiency and punctuality into court proceedings.
सुंदर गोरी मैला आवो जी सुंदर गोरी मैला आवो जी उठे तो ओढ़ामा तारा री चुंदरी सेज में प्यारी लागे तारा री चुंदड़ी। सुंदर गोरी मेला आवो जी, सुंदर गोरी मेला आवो जी, उठे तो ओढ़ावा तारा री चुंदड़ी, सेज में प्यारी लागे तारा री चुंदड़ी।
पैसारा बीरा जयपुर जा जो जी, पैसारा बीरा जयपुर जा जो जी, खाता तो लई जो तारा री चुनरी, आता तो लई जो तारा री चुनरी, आता तो लई जो तारा री चुनरी।
If you have finished your tour of the city palace in Jaipur, just a few steps away from its gates you will find the Jantar Mantar. This name means instruments for measuring the harmony of the heavens. It consists of 13 architectural astronomical instruments. The site is one of 5 built by Maharaja Jai Singh II of Jaipur, who from 1723 and revised the calendar and astronomical tables. Born in 1688 into the Rajput royal family that ruled the regional kingdom, Jai Singh was born into an era of education that kept a keen interest in astronomy. The Vrihat Samrat Yantra can be found in the sprawling Jantar Mantar complex in Jaipur. Samrat Yantra is considered to be the largest sundial in the world. At over 27 meters tall, it was made between 1728 and 1734 under the supervision of the famous astronomer Maharaja Jai Singh II. The sundial is a massive triangular gnomon facing directly north. The gnomon's hypotenuse is kept perfectly parallel to the Earth's axis of rotation throughout the year. Surrounding the base of the gnomon is a graduated quadrangle bisected by hour lines, with the smallest divisions marking intervals of just 2.5 minutes. More than 250 lines are carved into the surface of the sundial to display accurate time readings for both tropical and sidereal time zones.